Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word goodbye. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After saying their goodbyes, the two friends parted ways at the train station. Goodbye is a term used to express parting or farewell, typically said when someone is leaving or ending a conversation or meeting. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.